Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding the model number and serial number on your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of the watch screen to open the Apps menu. In the Apps menu, tap on the Settings cog. Scroll down the settings and tap About Watch. In the About Watch section, you'll be able to see the model number and serial number of your watch. You can also find your watch's model number and serial number on your phone. To do this, open up the Galaxy Wearable app and tap on Watch Settings. Scroll down the watch settings and tap on About Watch. Here you can see the model and serial numbers of your watch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.